Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace terminal paste on the graphics card. So first thing you want to do is you want to get rid of this heatsink on the bottom. So all you have to do is you have to unscrew all those screws on the back plate. Alright, so the next step is to remove this whole back plate. You don't have to remove those 4 screws right here. So all you have to do is just take this off. Oh, that's dirty. Okay, and now you also have to remove those now, the 4 screws. Okay, once you take off the screws, all you have to do is take off these 2 wires. There's also one on this side, which I'll show you later. Okay, so once you take those off, you can use pliers and just pinch them like that and just pull them out. Just be careful not to damage them. Okay, and now you can lift this whole thing up. Okay, so once this is exposed, you don't actually have to remove that wire since it's not in the way. So all you want to do is use some kind of rubbing alcohol to take this old terminal paste off, and then you can add new one. Okay, so once you are done with that, you just have to add like a pea size of a terminal paste. Also, don't forget to take off this old terminal paste from here. Alright, so I already did this one. So all you have to do is just align them together. Use those pins and put them in those holes right there. Okay, so all you have to do is put back the screws. One there, one there. You want to go opposite to each other so the pressure is balanced. And then you just want to do all those other screws as well. Okay, now I'm gonna clean this off first. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's the funny part. It's not dirt. It's just that adhesive came off from these sides, and so it looks like dirt, but then it's not. Alright, so yeah, we're just gonna clean this off a bit. So once you get this plate cleaned up and everything is good, just want to line those holes with those ones. So it seems like all these straight ones are also there. So it would go this way. Okay, so it goes like that. And then you just want to put the screws back, and that's it. So this is it, and then just make sure to tie the screws, and we are all done. Okay, so this is the finished product here. Alright, thank you for watching, subscribe, and have a nice day.